Till now we are completed with two chapters. First is evaluation of computer and second is software and its type. Hope you are complete your question answers. If not, first complete that question answers. Today we are start with the next chapter, that is third chapter, Windows 7. First we see a video of Windows 7 chapter. We cover all the point present in your textbook, and after that you have to solve all the question answers in your textbook as well as in a notebook. Okay, see the video.
Windows is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and the computer. Windows was developed by Microsoft, world's leading software company founded by Bill Gates. Who he is? He is Bill Gates. He is the founder of Microsoft and one of the richest men in the world. The first edition of Windows featuring a new user interface was introduced in 1995 and was called Windows 95. Increased usage of technology and continuous research led to the development of advanced editions of Windows, named as Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows NT, Windows 203, Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 7. The most recent release preview of Windows 8 is available for download in 14 languages. Let us quickly recall that MS-DOS was the most popular operating system chosen for IBM PC. IBM's version of DOS was called IBM DOS or PC DOS. Let's first discuss the main features of Windows 7. Windows 7 has become very popular because of its user-friendly environment. The salient features of Windows 7 are as follows. Faster, more reliable and secure. It is easy to use and learn. Better memory management. More personal. You can redecorate your desktop with new themes, slideshows or handy gadgets. Jump List in Windows 7 takes you right to the documents, pictures, songs or websites you use every day. Windows Taskbar, better thumbnail previews, easier to see icons and pin them as desired by the user. Windows provides the arrow peek feature that makes your open windows transparent so you may see your desktop. It also allows you to peek at times on your taskbar for a thumbnail preview. Maintains personalized work environment through multiple user support. Lets you enjoy music, video, CD, DVD, MP3 and high-definition games on your home PC. Supports global connectivity, receive and send email, view files, and run programs on computer from anywhere in the world. Students, let me share a tip with you. To know more about the various features of Windows 7, click on Start, then go to All Programs, then go to Accessories, then go to Getting Started. Option to know more about the various features. Students, before we move further, we can quickly name the latest version of Windows for single user environment. Okay, now let us learn how to use the desktop in Windows 7. The word desktop is derived from the real-life desktop, the top of our working or study table, where you may find pen stand, notepad, calculator, files, etc. The desktop of Windows also serves the same purpose. We can find various icons like objects, shortcut icons, document icons, disk drive icons, etc. You will find the taskbar at the bottom of the screen that displays the Start button on the left side. The programs that you have opened appear in the form of buttons on it. It holds the notification area on the right side, which includes a clock and some icons. These icons represent the programs that are located in ROM at the time of a startup. The icons play a very important role in graphical user interface. Let's know about commonly used icons. Computer gives you a view of available drives and the content stored on the computer system. Double-clicking on a drive icon will display the folders contained in that drive. Application icons are the graphical images that give a quick access to the related application. Shortcut icon is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application, document or folder, etc. It has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. The active document window of an application can be minimized to a document icon which gets placed on the taskbar. You can restore the document window by clicking on the document icon. Network allows you to access the shared files or devices on different computers in a network environment. Recycle bin works like a trash bin, dustbin used for throwing unwanted papers. These papers can be taken out if needed. Recycle is in a folder that holds the deleted objects. Until it is emptied, we can take back the deleted files and restore them to their original B locations.
Now let me share a fact with you.
A file is the basic unit of storage in Windows that enables a computer to distinguish one set of information from another. You can save your work as a file on a computer by specifying name to it. A file name consists of two main parts, the file name and its extension.
Let me share another interesting fact.
The folder is like a file cabinet in which you can store files, arranging files into logical groups, making the computer easy to locate any file.
Now let's talk about Windows Explorer.
Windows Explorer is an application that provides detailed information about files, folders, and drives. You can use it to see how your files are organized and can copy, move, rename, and search for files and folders.
Students,
originally Windows 7 was named as Blackcomb, which was renamed as Vinia in early 2006. In 2008, it was announced that Windows 7 would be the official name of the operating system.
now let's find out how to open Windows Explorer.
To open a Windows Explorer, click on the Start button, then go to All Programs, then Accessories, and then click on Windows Explorer. Or click on Start button and select Computer option from the right pane. You will get the Windows Explorer window.
Navigation pane displays drives and folders. Drives, folders. Details pane displays the files in the current folder. Now let's find out how to view contents of a file or folder.
Double-click on any folder to view its contents. To view the contents of any file icon, double-click on it. Okay, now let us find out how to copy a file or folder. To copy a file from one location to another, follow the steps. Double-click on the computer icon on the desktop. It will display the hard disk drives, CD or DVD drives, removable devices and network locations that are connected to your computer. Double-click on the D drive icon. It will display the files and folders stored in it. Select any file by clicking on the left mouse button. Click on Organize button and select the Copy option from the drop-down menu. Select the location where you want to place the copied file. Then click on the Paste option from the Organize button. The copied file will be placed in the selected folder.
Students, do you know the fact that
to copy multiple files and folders, press and hold down the Control key and click on the files to be copied. The files will be selected. Now you can copy them.
Students, let us now learn how to move a file or folder.
Moving a file or folder means shifting it from its original location, source, to another location, destination. To move a file or folder, follow these steps. Click on any file or folder that you want to move. Click on the Organize button and select Cut option from the drop-down menu. Select the folder where the file or folder is to be moved. Now click on the Paste option from the Organize drop-down list. You will observe that the file or folder has been moved from the source location and shifted to the destination folder.
Alright, let me also tell you that
to rename a file or folder, right-click on it and select Rename option from the shortcut menu. Type the new name and press the Enter key.
Now let me tell you how to delete a file or folder.
To delete a file or folder, follow the given steps. Click on the file or folder that you want to delete. Click on the Organize button and select Delete option from the drop-down menu. A message box appears on the screen asking for the confirmation to delete the file. Select Yes to confirm. You will find that the selected file or folder has been deleted.
Students, if you press Shift plus Delete, then files or folders are deleted permanently. Let me now share an interesting fact with you.
To select consecutive groups of files, click on the first file, hold down the Shift key, and click on the last file.
Let's now find out how to restore a file or folder.
To restore a deleted file from the Recycle bin, open the Recycle bin folder. Right-click on a file and select Restore option. The file name disappears from the Recycle bin window and gets restored at its original location. You can also click on Restore All Items button at the top to restore all the files to their original place. Make sure that no files are selected. Similarly, you can click on Empty the Recycle bin button to delete all files permanently.
Now we will learn how to find a file or folder.
Windows offers a number of ways to find files and folders. Search box offers the most direct way to locate a file. Use search box if you are looking for common file types, you remember all or part of the name of the file or folder you want to find, you know the date when you last modified a file. Click on Start button. You will feed the search box located at the bottom of left pane. Type either a part or complete name of the file or folder, or type a word or phrase that is present in the file. As you type, the items that match your text will appear on Start menu. Click on the desired file or folder. It will open in a new window. Click on See More Results link to get a detailed list of searched file or folders. The search results window will open. Now just click on a search result to open it. In case you know only a part of the file name, you can use wildcard characters to locate all files or folders that contain that part in their name. Asterisk and question mark are the two wildcard characters commonly used in searching information. Asterisk means any type and number of characters in its place. Let's take an example. L*** will search all files whose names start with L, followed by any number of characters, and has any extension. Example, letter.doc, lottery.ppt, locality.txt, etc. Star.doc will search for all the files whose extension is .doc, word files. L**.doc will search all the files whose extension is .doc and their name begins with the letter L. Question mark means any one character in its place. Question mark .star will search all files whose names contains only one character. Example, L.doc, R.pps, E.txt, etc. kips?doc will search for all the files whose names begin with kips, followed by any one character and extension is doc. Example, kips1doc, kips2doc, etc. Let me now give you a tip. You can also find a file or folder by clicking the search box at the top of every window and typing the relevant keyword or text. The various editions of Windows are Microsoft Windows 3.11, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows Millennium, Windows XP Professional, Windows 2003, Windows Vista and Windows 7, and Windows 8.
Now let us learn how to customize the desktop.
Windows is quite flexible and provides options to change the settings of desktop according to your choice. Follow the steps to change the color scheme of the computer screen. Right-click on the blank area of desktop and select the Personalize option. A dialog box will open. Click on the Window Color option located at the bottom of the dialog box. Select any color to change the window's borders, Start menu and taskbar. Select Enable Transparency option. The window glass borders, Start menu and taskbar will become transparent. Set the color intensity option. It will affect on window glass borders, Start menu and taskbar's color strength. Click on Show Color Mixture option to set the hue, saturation and brightness option to give color effect. Click on the Advanced Appearance Settings option. Windows Color and Appearance dialog box will open. Now click on the Color List box and select any color of your choice. Similarly, click on Font List box and change the font settings. Click on OK button. You will find a change in the appearance of window. Click on Apply button and then click on OK.
Let's now talk about the desktop gadgets.
Windows contains many programs called gadgets, which offer information at a glance and provide easy access to frequently used tools.
Windows 7 gadgets are calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, weather, feed headlines, slideshow, picture puzzle, and window media center, WinZip gadget. Okay, now we will learn how to add the gadgets on desktop.
Number 1. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop and select Gadgets option. Number 2. The Gadgets window will open. Number 3. Double-click the gadget that you want to place on the desktop. Number 4. The gadget gets placed on the right side of the desktop. Clock displays the time. To change the clock name and clock style, click the Options button and make the desired changes. Slideshow displays the continuous slideshow of pictures on your computer. Click the Options button and select Picture folder, speed and transition effect between pictures. Weather gives the weather information either in Celsius or Fahrenheit of any place around the world. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Windows is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and the computer. Windows Explorer is an application that helps in viewing and organizing files or folders on a computer. Windows contains the many programs called gadgets which offer information at a glance and provide an easy access to frequently used tools.
Okay, student. Hope you understand this chapter. If you have any doubt or query, see this video again and again. Still, you have any doubt, write in a comment box and use this all the points. Take a demonstration with the help of computer or laptop. After that, after this chapter, we will start the practical of chapter 1, 2, and 3. Solve these question answers in your textbook as well as in your notebook. Complete first 3 chapters. Okay? Then we start with the practical session. Thank you.